Alright, so I'm going to try to walk y'all through some pretty quick little repair on this one. Hopefully don't drag this video out. Basically, we have a trunk that is clobbered in pretty bad. It's nailed in. So fender's messed up, but we're probably just going to let all that roll. Probably just dab a little white paint. You don't want to get carried away painting on a car like this. This car has, I think, almost 180,000 miles. So being you're flipping it, it's not smart. And here's what the interior looks like. Yeah, disgusting. So see the reason why we want to keep our repair to a minimum. Okay, we want to put as little time into it as possible, but we have a folded in trunk, so we're going to throw y'all on some pretty cool time lapse hopefully this morning, and we're going to pull this whole entire trunk right on out hopefully and get it back where everything closes. So let's see what we got. To get started, you got it where this trunk overlaps. It's not even right. And then this side is closer to being right, but it's still not perfect. And then you can see how bad it is. So it's off really far. So that should not be a gap there. And that's huge. But that's what we're going to do. Seth can't figure out what light bulb is what. That's his daily struggle over here, is he can't figure out turn signals and brake light bulbs. It's gone. Alright, so here's our Altima that we had up on the frame rack doing the pull on. Got it together. Ed's gonna drive it over the weekend. I just kind of wanted to show y'all a quick update on the back, how everything turned out, all the body lines and all that stuff. You can see the trunk gaps all line up like they're supposed to on both sides. Everything is back right. Spacing's back right. We did leave that dent. We did not pull that dent out of it, but besides that, we got everything else where it looks really good. So all the spacing around the edges looks good. So I mean, overall, can't be more happy than that, especially for how bad that trunk lid was folded in. That's how it turned out. You remember how nasty the carpet was. They've got the seats cleaned out of them. Center console still needs to be cleaned. The car's not done, but you can see that the carpet's all black now. All we do is basically go through there and use carpet paint and paint the carpet so it don't look bad. But I know y'all are not here for the interior on this video. So the front one, we left that dent, we threw the bumper back on it, we fixed the headlight where it sits in there better. We still got to wash this front bumper. We're not fixing that damage on the bumper, we're just letting that ride because the whole car is just beat up and everything. You can see the stickers are not off of it. Also have to do the pinstripe still on it next week. So this is just Friday afternoon. Ed's gonna drive it to get some drive time on it, and that's gonna be it. So like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks y'all for watching.